Okay, finally we actually get to sew. Let me crank that down a little. There we go. Okay. Oh, don't be like that. Okay, so, like I said, you can pin this, or you don't have to. You're gonna place it kind of in the middle, like you normally would. The two buttons you will see me pushing a lot are, well, three. Including a lever. Obviously that's my presser foot here, so if you see me doing something back here and, you know, making noises, that's what I'm doing. Up here is my needle up and down button. My brother sewing machine defaults with the needle down at the end of a line of stitches. It will always be in the down position. So in order to move the fabric, I have to push and make the needle go up. Some are backwards and do it the other way around. So just so you know, I think the video that they have on their main website, I think her machine's the other way around because she talks about putting her needle down, and that, yeah, that's the opposite of me. Okay, and then lastly is the reverse stitch, which I use quite a bit. We'll talk about that when we come to closing seams. We're not going to use it this time. Generally, you only want to do the reverse stitch when you really want to lock something in. In this case, this is going to be a piece that we're going to come across the other direction and sew, and when you do crisscross, they basically lock each other in, so there's no need to do that. Okay, so I think when they did the video, they just zipped right down the middle, which is pretty standard stuff. I think that makes this edge a little floppy. Not that it's going to be a huge deal or anything, it's just a personal preference that I like to move my needle to the left. I have a button that does that. So I'm going to go ahead and I've got it, you know, clamped in with the presser foot, and I'm going to go ahead and run a seam all the way down this edge to the end, and I will get back to you after that because I don't think I can do this one-handed. Okay, now as is pretty typical, once you get to the end of the line, I again have to lift my needle up, open my presser foot, and pull out. Then you will want to come in here and snip those little tails with a pair of scissors. Do that with both pieces, and then head back to the ironing board. I don't know why I can't ever remember that word tonight. The ironing board for the pleated portion, which should be the, you know, most exciting portion of our evening here. Okay,